Fourth question of the exercise 6.2. In figure, DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE. So ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു ഫിഗർ തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. From this one we have to say that BF is divided BF by FV equal to BE by EC. BF by FC is equal to BE by EC എന്നും തന്നിട്ട് ഇതിനെക്കുറിച്ചൊന്നും സംസാരിച്ചിട്ടില്ല ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ. നമുക്ക് എങ്ങനെ മനസ്സിലാക്കുകയെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഇത് അതിന് കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കേണ്ടത് പ്രീവിയസ് തേർഡ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ പോലെ തന്നെയാണ് ഫോർത്ത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിലും ഈ ഒരു സൈഡ് നമുക്ക് കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് വരും. അങ്ങനെ വിചാരിക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഇവിടെ രണ്ട് ട്രയാങ്കിളാണ് നമ്മൾ എടുക്കേണ്ടി വരിക. ആ രണ്ട് ട്രയാങ്കിൾ നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. ഈ ഒരു പാരലുള്ള ഒരു ട്രയാങ്കിളും ഇതൊരു പാരലുള്ള ഒരു ട്രയാങ്കിൾ എടുക്കാം. DE by AC പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത് DE by AC ദെൻ DF by AE. ഈ DF by AE വരുന്ന ട്രയാങ്കിൾ, അതായത് ഈ ഒരു ട്രയാങ്കിളാണ് നമ്മൾ എടുക്കേണ്ടത്. ആൻഡ് ഇവിടെ ഒരു പാരലൽ സൈൻ, ഈ പാരലൽ ലൈന് നമുക്കിങ്ങനെ എടുക്കാം. സോ ഈ ബ്ലൂവിൽ വരച്ചിട്ടുള്ളതാണ് നമുക്ക് ഒരു ട്രയാങ്കിളായി വരാം. സോ വി ക്യാൻ യൂസിങ് ദാറ്റ് ടു ട്രയാങ്കിൾസ് ദിസ് സൈഡ് വിൽ ബി ഈ ഒരു സൈഡ് ഈ രണ്ട് ട്രയാങ്കിളും കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് വരും. ബ്ലൂ ട്രയാങ്കിളും ബ്ലാക്ക് ട്രയാങ്കിളിനും കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് വരുന്നുണ്ട്. സോ നമുക്ക് ആൻസർ എടുക്കാം. Solution: in triangle, this blue one we can take it, that is name ABE, we can take it. In triangle ABE we can say that DF is parallel to AE. It is given. So by basic proportionality theorem, BD by DA is equal to BF by FV. BF by AE. BF by FV. This is, we can take it as 1. In triangle ABC, this big triangle ABC, we can say as per the question DE is parallel to AC. DE is parallel to AC is given. By basic proportionality theorem, we can say that since DE is parallel to AC, we can say that BD by DA is equal to BE by EC. This is equation 2. And 1 and 2 we can compare. BD by DA, BD by A equal. From 1 and 2 we can say that this one BF by FE is equal to BE by EC. Okay, so this want we prove. Question number 5. In figure, DE is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. Show that EF is parallel to QR. It is same like third and fourth question. One extra little point is there, that in this question we have to use both BPT and converse of BPT. So let us see how we can solve this question. So it is given first, DE is parallel to OQ, which means we can say therefore DE is parallel to OQ, so we can say that PE by EQ is equal to PD by DO. PD by DO. So this one we can say first equation. Then it is given that DF is This is by basic proportionality theorem. DF parallel to OR. DF parallel to OR. So we can say that here also PF is parallel to PF by FR. PF by FR is equal to PD by DO. PD by DO. Equation we can say it is 2 by basic proportionality theorem. We can say when you see these two, we can see the right side are equal. From 1 and 2, we can say that PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. So we can say that PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. So if this is so the ratio is similar, the ratio are equal. If the ratios are equal, then we can say that third side is equal to the, or third side is parallel to the line intersecting. Which is the third side here? So you can take this triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, PE is equal PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. Therefore, by converse of basic proportionality theorem, we can say that EF parallel to QR in triangle PQR. So we have proved that. Answer, don't write HP because I am writing hence proved. You should write. If you see HP also, you have to write hence proved. Okay, don't short. If you practice the short, you will same you reflect in the exam also. Your marks also will be short. Okay, എഴുതണത് കുറച്ച് അധികമായിട്ട് തന്നെ എഴുതാം. അത് അത്യാവശ്യം എഴുതണം, മനസ്സിലാവുന്ന രീതിക്ക് എഴുതണം, അത് മീനിങ് ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കണം. ചുമ്മാ കുറേ കാര്യങ്ങൾ അതിൽ കുത്തി കയറ്റിയിട്ട് ഞാൻ എഴുതി എനിക്ക് മാർക്ക് വേണമെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ കിട്ടാൻ പോകുന്നില്ല. എഴുതുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങൾ മീനിങ് ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കണം. Question number 7. Using theorem 6.1, that is a basic proportional theorem, prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle is parallel to another side bisects the third side. Okay, it is one of the theorem which you have proved in the 9th standard. പക്ഷേ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഒട്ടും ഓർമ്മ ഉണ്ടാവില്ല എന്നും എനിക്ക് അറിയാം. തിയറം ഇതാണ്, ഒന്നുകിൽ വായിച്ച പോലെയെങ്കിലും തോന്നുന്നുണ്ടാവും. Prove that a line drawn through a midpoint of one side of a triangle is parallel to another side bisects the third side. Okay, so if you can draw a triangle, okay, we can name it as ABC. The picture is not given in the question, the exercise itself, so we can draw. Okay, so the line is EF. It is drawn through the midpoint of one side. One side is AB, is parallel to the third side, parallel to the another side BC, is bisects the third side, bisect the chain side AC. Okay, so we can write what are things are given the question. So given a line, okay, so we can say that given a line EF, okay, is drawn through the midpoint of side AB and EF is parallel to BC. EF is parallel to BC. So we have to prove that it bisects it divides. So it bisects means the AF distance and the FC is equal. So what do we have to prove? To prove is, we have to say AF is equal to FC. Okay. So since EF is parallel to BC, we can say that AE, we can use the basic proportionality theorem, AE by EB is equal to AF by FC. AF by FC equal. So we have written that ratio. Since it is given, the question, it is given that it's a midpoint, right? E is the midpoint. So we can say AE is equal to EB, since E is the midpoint of AB. So these two are equal. So AE by EB. So same numbers, say A distance and EB distance are same. So same distance, when you divide, it is equal to 1. So we can say this is the equation 1. So if this is equal to 1, so this is also equal to 1. So AF by FC is also equal to 1. It is from equation 1. From equation 1, this also equal, say. So FC, we can send that side. We can say that AF is equal to FC. So AF is equal to FC. Therefore, we can say that, therefore, F is the midpoint of AC. Therefore, F is the midpoint of EC. If F is the midpoint of EC, then we can say it the line bisects the third side, right? That is proved from this one. We are saying question number 9. Question number 8 is a homework. If you understand the question number 7, the converse of question number 7 is question number 8. You can write that answer from bottom to top. If you write in reverse order എഴുതുമ്പോൾ മീനിങ്ങോടെ എഴുതണം. മനസ്സിലാക്കി എഴുതുകയാണെങ്കിൽ you can bring the answer. We can prove that question number 8. So now we are moving on to the question number 9. It says that ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. In trapezium, one pair of sides are parallel. That AB and DC are parallel, and its diagonals intersect each other at a point O. So show that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. It is given. So we can draw. In this question, the picture is not given. So we can draw that picture. So trapezium I have drawn. So since the trapezium given the question, and have named its ABCD. So AB parallel to DC. These two sides are parallel and diagonals intersect at O. So here, to do our answer, we have to do one construction. Okay. So we are going to draw a line here. Then name it as OE. The line, we can say It's OE. So if you draw this line, OE is parallel to AB. You are going to draw this line parallel to AB and parallel to that is parallel to DC. AB ക്ക് parallel ആണെങ്കിൽ തന്നെ DC ക്ക് അത് parallel ആയിട്ട് വരും. So which through we are going to draw through O, we are going to draw OE parallel to AB. That is OE is parallel to DC, parallel to DC. Now we are taking triangle, this triangle, okay, in triangle ABD, or we can take triangle first ACD triangle, okay. In triangle ACD, triangle ACD, this is a parallel line. So by basic proportionality theorem we can say that AE by ED is equal to AO by, we can say this is a CO, AO by CO. To get our answer like this, we can write this AO by CO. Then so this we can keep it as equation 1. In triangle, this triangle we are going to take it, കാരണം എന്താണ്, ഈ ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ആണ് ഈ ലൈൻ വരച്ചേക്കുക, അതേപോലെ ഈ ട്രയാങ്കിൾ നമ്മൾ വരച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. സോ ലൈൻ, സോ ട്രയാങ്കിൾ നെയിം ഇസ് ABD. ഇൻ ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ABD we can say this is the top vertex, so we can say DE by ED is equal to, you can say DO by BO. If you see these two, AE by ED here, so I have written DE by AE, DE by AE have, right, DE by AE, DE by AE, or EA we can write. So if you see these two, this is actually the reciprocal of AE by ED, here DE by AE. ED DE രണ്ടും സെയിം ആണ്, അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും മാറ്റിയാലും കുഴപ്പമൊന്നുമില്ല. സോ വി ക്യാൻ റൈറ്റ്, ഇതേപോലെ നമുക്ക് മാറ്റാം. സോ വി ക്യാൻ റൈറ്റ് ദിസ് ആസ് AE, വി ക്യാൻ ചേഞ്ച് reciprocal we are saying AE by, we can write ED is equal to so DE we can write as ED. This also BO by DO. So now these two left sides are equal. Now we can equate the right side values. This I need for question to remember, so again I keep it there here. So from 1 and 2, we can say AO by CO is equal to BO by CO. If you see these two are equal, no, it is not equal. AO by CO and BO by, here DO is there, okay. Anyway these two are not equal. See, BO should come here and CO goes there. And that we can do by interchanging the steps. So AO by, we can say BO, we can bring it here. So AO by BO. So multiplication becomes division. Division becomes multiplication. CO goes there. So the answer, we got it. So hence proved. Okay. Question number 10. It is a converse of question number 9. So that we are going to write in the reverse order that I am going to teach you now. The question number as 8 is reverse order of 7, that you are going to do it. So here there is no picture we can draw. It is given that ABCD is a quadrilateral ABCD. So we have to write four-sided figure. We have to say that four-sided figure, and intersect each other. Okay, diagonals of coordinators intersect each other at O. So you have say that here is O. Such that we have to say such that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Show that ABC is a trapezium. We have to say ABC is trapezium. Then we have to say any two pair of sides are parallel. So here we are taking that ABCD. If you say that sides AB and if you could say that AB and DC are parallel, then we can say ABCD is a trapezium. So at first, what is given to us? Ninth answer അതേ റിവേഴ്സ് എഴുതിയാൽ നമുക്ക് ആൻസറിൽ എത്താവുന്നതാണ്. പക്ഷേ നമ്മളിത് ഏത് 9th 10th കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ചെയ്യരുത്. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നന്നായിട്ട് മനസ്സിലാക്കുക. So it is ratios given. We have to show that ABC trapezium. So trapezium ആണെങ്കിൽ side parallel. From ratio to parallel we have to bring. So it is a converse of using the converse Pythagoras theorem. So the 9th question we did in the converse of basic proportional theorem. 9th question we did using basic proportionality theorem. So here AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. It is given, but this last question we have done like this. CO should bring it here, BO will go there. So we can write AO by B instead of BO we can write AO by CO. Then only we get in a straight line AO by BO is equal to we get OB or BO by DO. So like that we have to take in this manner. So now we got it. After that we have to do the construction. So here construct OE parallel to AB. So we are only saying that it is parallel to AB. Okay. After doing this, now we can use the which theorem? Basic proportionality theorem. So after constructing it, we can say that DE by EA is equal to DO by OB. So if you want to substitute, use this result here. So here it is actually reciprocal of this one. So here, so we have to change it to this manner. So we can write the reciprocal of this one. So we can write EA by DE is equal to OB by DO, or so we can say that in reverse order OB, or we can write BO. That is the confusion I have. So we can write the reciprocal of this one. So BO by DO. So we have brought this one. Now these two are equal, and also we can equate this also. We can bring this side. So EA by DE is equal to BO by DO is equal to AO by CO. We can equate that. Since this we can take it as 1. Okay. Since these are equal from 1. Okay. From 1 we can say that these two are equal. That is EA by DE is equal to AO by CO. EA by DE. So this one EA by DE is equal to we can say that AO by CO or OC, which means we are saying this triangle. We are taking that triangle in that manner. So we brought this result. So in triangle, thus in triangle ADC, in triangle ADC, what happens in triangle ADC? This line, we got this ratio. നമുക്ക് ratio കിട്ടി, അതായത് AE by ED equal to AO by OC എന്നുള്ളത് നമ്മൾ ഒന്ന് മാറ്റി എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ട്, പക്ഷേ മീനിങ് സെയിം ആണ്. So we got this ratio. So which means in triangle ADC, line segment or lines, we can say line segment or line segment OE divides the sides of triangle in same ratio. Therefore, by converse of basic proportionality theorem, we can say that OE is parallel to DC. OE is parallel to DC, but we have by construction. So we have constructed by construction OE is parallel to AB. It is by construction. So OE is parallel to DC and OE is parallel to AB, so we can write as AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC, therefore we can write as AB is parallel to DC. If these two opposite sides are parallel, then we can say, therefore we can say that ABCD is a trapezium. So this is what we have to prove. We got answer.